Before installing the key safe, you need to set your combination code. Using the combination setting key, set each digit by turning the dial 180 degrees so the arrow points towards set. Once you have set your combination, test thoroughly before closing the safe door. For the installation, you will need a power drill, 5mm masonry drill bit, safety goggles, marker pen, a ratchet, extension and 8mm socket, tape measure and a roll of tape. Choose a flat area of wall where you can drill into brick. Ideally position your key safe across 2 bricks for maximum security. Mark 4 holes with a marker using the cover as a template. To ensure you drill the correct depth of holes, measure 50mm from the end of the drill bit and mark with tape to use as a guide. Drill the holes to a depth of 50mm. Position your key safe and cover over the 4 holes and insert the thunderbolt screws, tightening initially by hand. Using your 8mm socket, carefully tighten the bolts. The bolts will self-tap into the holes, making the key safe very secure. The key safe is now installed and ready to use. The key safe is ideal for providing secure, easy access for care providers, tradespeople, cleaners, family members and friends. It is fully weatherproof, providing year-round protection from the elements. The Defender Pro-TEC key safe has been independently attack tested to police preferred specification, and is guaranteed to save you time, money and worry. Available now. Search Defender Pro-TEC.